Welcome everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we'll be touching on a critical topic, hourly wages. But not just that, we will be discussing it in the context of maintenance technicians, the unsung heroes of successful businesses. We'll explore whether compensation is a cost or an investment, how it impacts your company's future, and how to make smart decisions around it. Stay tuned as we share some tips on attracting and retaining top talent and discuss what a comprehensive compensation package could look like. Now, whenever the topic of hourly wages comes up, it's crucial to ponder on how you perceive compensation. Do you regard it as a cost that needs to be trimmed down, or do you see it as an investment in your company's future? Understanding your viewpoint on employee compensation can guide you in making smarter decisions in the long run. Let's talk about maintenance technicians. They are essentially the powerhouses of successful maintenance departments. These individuals ensure all the critical functions of a facility are up and running, allowing the business to concentrate on its core mission. Here's a tip for you. If you manage to attract and retain reliable, experienced talent, even at a higher wage per hour, you could save your company a significant amount of money in the future with fewer maintenance issues, emergencies, and oversights. Now let's dive into wages. Maintenance technicians on average earn about $16 per hour. However, technicians just starting out earn around $11 per hour, while more experienced technicians can make more than $22 per hour. It's important for organizations to consider a technician's background, experience, and certifications when setting an appropriate hourly wage. For example, an entry-level maintenance technician who performs janitorial duties and can manage basic repairs should be paid less than a seasoned technician who can handle plumbing, electrical, and carpentry duties. But compensation isn't just about wages, it's also about recognizing strong performance and extra effort. Maintenance managers should reward technicians who go the extra mile to earn HVAC certification, or give bonuses to maintenance workers who put in overtime on an emergency project. Depending on the company's structure, I'd also recommend offering profit-sharing benefits to maintenance workers based on merit, performance, or service years. Here's another tip. By implementing a multi-tiered compensation package, you could become a significantly more attractive employer. This means top-tier maintenance technicians will want to work for and stay with your facility for the long haul. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of viewing compensation as an investment, the role of maintenance technicians, and how a comprehensive compensation package can attract and retain top-tier talent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.